Hi, this is Jeffrey Rhoades from experimentalhomesteader.com, and before I begin, I wanted to say that we did receive this item for free or at a reduced price for our honest opinions. All opinions are our own, and tonight I am talking about the Rainforest Ecological Sprinkler. This is a very nice design. It's a unique heart-shaped design, and it's designed to break up the water droplets, kind of mist them out a little bit better, and improve the delivery of the water to the root zone, and prevent water from pooling and running off. So, very nice design. It covers up to 2,000 square feet, lowers water consumption, and it's gentle for seeds and seedlings and your regular plants. Works high and low water pressure. Also is designed to not clog, so it's good for hard water. It's an adjustable spray diameter of 6 to 50 feet, and so it's a very nice sprinkler. It adjusts, for your difference in sprays, as to distance, and so this will be very, very useful in the garden come spring. It's wintertime right now, so not exactly a good item at the moment for us, but springtime, this will be out there and we'll be getting a lot of use out of it. So thank you, have a good night.